agrarian proletariat, there will be no organized resistance against Santa Blanca and the corruption in our government. Amaru must be saved. If you were to assist my people, it would do much to earn my
Alexa,
confidence.
what's the
We'll
definition
pour in
of
some
flu?
7-Up.
We do not know what
Does that
is
look like this?
Claim to have the flu.
I got a name for this one. Bubble Burst.
Santa Blanca Lieutenant. No worries.
Alexa, turn on the sprinklers.
Okay.
It's rain and tacos from out of the sky. Tacos. No need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's rain and tacos.
I like how we just got dropped off, but here we are. Game just kind of begins. I might have to get used to the controls and message settings. Hang on, guys. Alright, I think I'm set up. I had to change everything inverted. I think I pretty much got a grip on how to really set everything up the way you need it. So, let's see what happens. I'm playing with the computer right now. See how these controls are. Man, the view reminds me of Far Cry 2 a little bit with the whole landscape and everything. And like the settings.
Oh my God!
What's funny is I've heard that there's a lot of different people that work on this game and talk with some of them, and it's crazy to see. I've played so many different games on my channel over the years. It's like each one kind of resembles another back and forth. So I'm curious to see this how it's like actually played. So far the driving's not bad, but again, look behind me. That's kind of a weird top-down angle. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that anymore. It's gonna get me wrecked. Alright, right now we're going to this area. We're supposed to find the lieutenant. I was kind of given some brief of like what to expect. We're allowed to do like the first area, basically. There's like 6 missions inside this area that all lead up. Like it's one long mission, but it's like 6 things within that. So, see what happens. It's like cut around drive. I don't know why I showed you guys. I might just let it play out. This is my first time playing, and I kind of want to.
Cat goes meow, bird goes tweet, and mouse goes squeak. Cow goes moo,
It's like it looks like we're
and the elephant
right up here.
goes
I'll make this
ducks and
mad.
quack, and fish go blue.
I want to say thank you just for
Goes
being the best
ow,
ever.
there's no sound, there's no
Any kind of stuff, if you don't remember, I played.